Hi there, I'm Rebecca, and I'm going to be teaching you how to multiply matrices. So first what we're going to do is we'll take a standard 2 by 2 matrix, and we'll call that matrix A. And that'll be a 2, 4, 1, 0 matrix. Okay, now we're going to take matrix B, and we'll make that a 2 by 1, and we'll say, how about a 2 and an 8. Okay, so now that you have the two matrices, then we're going to first see if it's even possible to solve this equation. So basically what you're going to do is, you can see this is a 2 by 2 matrix because the rows are 2 and there's 2 columns, so this is a 2 by 2 matrix. And now what we're going to do is, this has 2 rows in 1 column, so that's a 2 by 1 matrix. Okay, to see if this is even possible to solve, we can circle the last and the first of the 2, and those are equal, so that means that it is possible. And then also, when we do it this way, then we can see that that will be a 2 by 1 is what the answer is going to look like. So we'll go over here, and we'll have a 2, 1, 4, 0 times 2, 8. So the answer is a 2 by 1. So we're going to outline the 2 and 1 so that we know what it's going to look like. Alright, so first what we're going to do is, you always need to remember rows times columns. Okay, so this is the first row, and this is the first column. So we're going to multiply the corresponding ones together. So the first in the row is 2, and the first in this column is 2. So you're going to multiply them together. So 2 times 2 equals 4. So then we're going to take the second and the second. 4 times 8 equals 32. So 4 plus 32 equals 36. So we know that the first thing that's going to go in there is a 36. So 36 is what's going to go in there. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing, but with the second column. So it's going to be 1 times 2 is 2 plus 0 times 8, which is 0. So 0 plus 2 equals 2. So underneath that is going to be a 2. And there's your answer. So the matrix AB equals 36, 2. Okay, so now we're going to do one more problem to see if we have it down. So we're going to have matrices C and D now. So matrix C equals 3, 4, 1, 2, 6, 0, 3, 3, 4. Okay, and then matrix D is a 2, 1, 0. Alright, so first step is to see if it's possible. So this is a 3 by 3, and this is a 3 by 1. So these two are equal, so we know it's going to be a 3 by 1 matrix is the answer. Okay, so let's write it over here, and it's going to be 3, 4, 1, 2, 6, 0, 3, 3, 4 times 2, 1, 0 equals, and here we know it's going to be a 3 by 1 matrix. Okay. Alright, so first row by the column. 3 times 2, I'll just write this out. Okay, 3 times 2 equals 6, plus 2 times 1, which is 2, plus 3 times 0, which is 0. Okay, so now that we have that done, 6 plus 2 plus 0 equals 8. So the first one's going to be 8. Alright, now we're going to be taking the second row. So 4 times 2 is 8, plus 6 times 1, which is 6, plus 3 times 0, which is 0. So 8 plus 6 plus 0 equals 14. So 14 is going to go on the spot up here. Okay, and now we have our final row, which is 1, 0, 4. So 2 times 1, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 0 times 1, which is 0, 4 times 0 is 0. So the answer here is 2. So we have 2 at the bottom row. So we know that matrix D, CD equals 8, 14, 2. Alright, so that was the end of my video. So always remember to check first to see if the equation is possible. And then second, always remember to solve by multiplying row by column.